projects and mentorship both go one by one. Means like if you want to read those all those projects and you want to enhance your own knowledge, that see I'm working on NLP projects only, but I want to learn some CNN projects. So this is the one platform where I could see that around 40 or 50 projects on the CNN only, computer convolution neural networks. So I could get a chance to learn all those projects. So it has enhanced my knowledge as well. Secondly, we have the access to the big data projects. So all the latest tech stack, uh, we can get the knowledge from there as well. So all those things are adding up on your own knowledge. And mentorship, I'm saying that best one, because whenever you stuck somewhere, you need immediate guidance, and there is no any other platform where you can get that guidance. So you can get the source code from the GitHub as well. But
Correct.
the mentorship, because code is there, but how to read that code? If you stuck somewhere, then mentors can help in that. So that's why the mentorship from the Project Pro is the on the top priority, because you can get the immediate resolution or solution of that problem statement. And second thing is that there are n number of projects and diversified projects on the big data, on the ML, and even in the ML there is more diversified projects. So all this help us to enhance the knowledge.